Sun Joe Electric High Pressure Washer. Cleaning your car and your home requires a water pressure that any hose will not be able to provide. Avoid wasting time and effort with products that don't really work. The Sun Joe Electric High Pressure Washer has arrived to make your home cleaning work much simpler and faster. The Sun Joe is a powerful product with a 14.5 amp motor that generates up to 2030 psi and 1.76 GPM of water flow. Clean your house, car, buildings, decks, trash cans, garden equipment, tools, and much more. The Sun Joe has two 0.9-liter onboard detergent tanks to store different types of detergent to work simultaneously on different cleaning projects. Save power and extend the life of the Sun Joe with the automatic shut-off system when the trigger is not activated. Are you ready to enjoy a more efficient and powerful cleaning experience? Get the Sun Joe Electric High Pressure Washer now and discover the power of high-pressure water. The link to purchase is in description below.